Alright guys, it's Big C. It is Friday afternoon, May 25th, it just turned 3:13. So here we go with the tribute break that ended on the 23rd. And here is the sign-up sheet. See if we can pull something good out of this. The last good thing I pulled a printing plate of Sandy Koufax autograph, which was pretty neat. So, and two teams did not sell, the Diamondbacks and the Rockies. So here we go with the Topps Tribute box break. Oh, pull the bottom out too. There's 3 packs. And there's the other 3 and an empty box. So here we go with pack 1. Good luck to everybody. We got Carlton Fisk, Red Sox, RCR Reno. We got Ryan Zimmerman. Did they short us a card in this? Ryan Zimmerman, Nationals, Ash Ravi, 4343. Buster Posey. Ooh, that's a pretty neat patch there. Buster Posey, 30 out of 50 for the Giants. Joe, 22010. And prime patches, Roy Halladay, 10 out of 24 for the Phillies, and that's 64 cal. Pack number 2. We got Ken Griffey. Yeah, they did short us a base on that first one. Ken Griffey Jr., Mariners. Ash Ravi, 4343. Mike Stanton, Marlins. Roger Dorn, 24. Mickey Mantle, Yankees, Old School Dog. Rollie Fingers, A's, Blue, 199. Annapolis Baseball Cards. And then Prince Fielder, Brewers, 93 out of 99. Position of power for the Brewers, and that's Larry's cards. So here we go with pack 3. Starlin Castro, Cubs, Old School Dog. Paul Molitor, Brewers, Larry's cards. Carl Yastrzemski, Red Sox, RCR Reno. Dustin Pedroia, Red Sox, also RCR Reno, 199, 182 out of 199. And we got Carlos Gonzalez, Oakland A's. And that is numbered 10 out of 50. And the A's are Annapolis Sports Cards. Well, these last 3 then should be an autograph. Got a black one. Buster Posey, Giants, Joe, 22010. Roy Halladay, 64 cal. Nelson Cruz, Rangers, HRC 58, HRC. Stan the Man, black, 30 out of 60 for Cardinals. Ash Ravi, 4343. And our first autograph is Fergie Jenkins for Cubs. Old School Dog, 30 out of 50. Okay. So here we go with pack 2. Eddie Murray, Orioles, Annapolis Sports Cards. Stan the Man, Ash Ravi, 4343. Joe Mauer, Twins, Rob 1.0. Alex Rodriguez, 96 out of 199. Yankees, Old School Dog. And Gio Gonzalez, Oakland. Annapolis Sports Cards, 34 out of 999. And our last pack. Roberto Clemente, Joe, 22010 for the Pirates. Al Kaline, Detroit. Dawingish or say, I don't know how to say that. Dawingsheh. Joey Votto, Reds, old school dog. Ryan Howard, 51 out of 75. Phillies, which would be 64 Cal. And A's, Jamel Weeks, 41 out of 50 for Annapolis Sports Cards. So there you have it, guys. I appreciate it. Keep checking out my auctions. Big C 2014. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.